Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a WeChat problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your WeChat problem, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of WeChat. You will find it here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. Then you can know how to fix WeChat error on your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.